Hey guys, it's Ryan again with Kustomz. So I also want to do a review on something else I purchased. I just made a large order and finally got it in the mail from Chemical Guys for my detailing. And I came across a light that's supposed to like point out like scratches and swirls and stuff like that. It's the Chemical Guys Ultra Bright. It's a 2-beam light. You got the one on the front and then the bright like, horizontal beam. And at first I thought, I was like, yeah, it's a gimmick, whatever. It's not going to work. But I used it on a few cars, and I will say, I don't know if it's the color of it or it being like a Cree LED or something like that that brings out the swirls. But I mean, it is crazy. Let me see if I can flip. So you can't really see anything now, but if I shine, you can see some of the imperfections and swirls. Try this one. Like that there. It really brings it out. It's super easy to use. It's got a magnetic base that swivels and sticks. Pretty tough. But I mean, I truly like it. I'd highly recommend it. So again, guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, ask any questions you want. I'm here to help. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's Koffs, Koffs _Kustomz, Kustomz. Be cool, stay safe, guys.